My name is Christian, and I teach U.S. history, U.S. government, world history, and occasional other classes over the years. And I'm currently at the Potter's House Christian School in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Yeah, so I use it a lot of different ways. I'll use it for formative and summative assessments. So make a test for instance, one of the tests that I use is I want them to know various historical events in American history. And so I've developed over the years a test that has like hundreds and hundreds of questions, but then I can tell the computer to just show them 15 questions, and then I can pick what kind of questions they see, and it randomizes. And so I really like the ability to retest and retest. If I have enough questions in my test bank, then I know that they're seeing a different test each time, and they're not just learning the particular answers for 10 of the questions, but they're really being forced to learn the whole thing because they might see the whole thing if they take it a number of times. I got tired of having to print all of this stuff up on paper and make multiple versions of it. And so when I was looking, I saw ProProfs and I said, oh, this is great. So what I did is I had 15 years of multiple choice questions that were on paper. And so what I would do is just throughout the school year, I would just spend my time typing in the multiple choice questions into ProProfs. And so some of these tests I've been using and tweaking and editing for about 10 years. I've been using some of the same material. And it's really nice because I can update it, I can shuffle around, I can take some questions out by just simply removing the tag. And it's really easy just to go through the tests that I had last year. Oh, I didn't use that question. I'll just take the tag off so that it doesn't appear in the new test. But it's always there. I don't have to retype it, or sometimes I'll forget, oh, do I have some questions that I wrote years ago? And I can search for them and they're there. I'm really happy ProProfs user. It's one of the better tech tools. I started my career before computers, and so I've always been kind of the teacher in school that was using kind of the latest tech things. I just kind of like it. And so this is probably, lots of tech has come and gone, and I just said, I tried it and it didn't work, or I didn't like it, or the company closed, because it went out of business or something. But ProProfs has been there for a long time for me, and it's one that I really couldn't imagine teaching without it. Now there's since then, a lot of LMSs that schools use have a similar type of test building program, but I've looked at them, they're not as good as ProProfs, so I'm happy to stay. Excellent, man, excellent. Even in the early days, I would have a problem, seriously, because I taught at a school that had the block schedule so that they were 80-minute classes. And so I would do what I told you. We would have a multiple choice section that we do in ProProfs, and then we'd have a written section. And there would be something wrong with one of the settings, or something would not be right. ProProfs wasn't functioning correctly, and whatever that problem was. And while the kids were taking the test, I would contact the support, and they would often fix it while my kids were still sitting taking the test. And to be able to, I was really impressed. I've been impressed with the support the entire time. Never had a problem.